What is your favorite video of Don't Touch My
Is this
Car?
your car?
Yeah. What do you
Yeah?
wear?
You know what is Don't Touch My Car, please? Excuse me, this is your car?
Yes. Of course. What?
Start the engine, please.
Yes. No.
Excuse me, what do you do for a living?
Social media.
Yes, and this is your car?
No.
So why are you leaning on my car? Don't touch my car, please.
Really?
Yeah, this is not your car.
Take me?
You want to ride?
Yes.
Okay, come inside, yeah. What is your name?
Tal.
Tal, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah, I'm Idan.
You are very beautiful.
Me? Thank you.
Yes.
Excuse me, what do you do for a living?
I have a sugar daddy.
You have a sugar daddy?
Yes.
And you?
We are a threesome.
You're threesome? Oh, sounds great. And you know what is Don't Touch My Car, please? Hey, this is not your car.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Why are you leaning on the car? Come inside. Come inside the car. Maybe we do, you know.
Okay.
But your sugar daddy is not mad?
No, it's fine.
Oh yeah. Wow. Hi. What do you do for a living?
Oh, I'm a really hard worker. I have a very difficult job. You won't understand.
Oh yeah. Cut the bullshit. Don't touch my car, please.
Get out of here.
Hey girls, look at me and smile. Don't touch my car, please. אוקיי, נעשה ככה. Look at this girl. Excuse me, what do you do for a living?
I work in sales.
Yes?
Yeah.
And you do a lot of money?
On the good days. She does pretty well.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And this is your car?
This is my car.
Yes?
Do you like it?
No, it's not your car.
What do you
It's not your car. Excuse me, this is your car?
Yes.
Yes? You can start the engine, I want to listen. Don't touch my car, please. Excuse me, this is your car?
Yeah, sure.
Yes?
Yes.
You know what is Don't Touch My Car, please?
What?
You want a ride?
Yes.
Yeah?
May I?
Yeah, of course, why not? Come here.
Thank you.
Yeah. Woo! Look at this girl. Excuse me, what do you do for a living?
What do you want?
What do you do for a living?
I don't hear you. What do you want?
You know what is Don't Touch My Car, please? This engine you hear, yeah?